Installation video. Introduction. First, get out of all items from the package. There are 1* wireless backup camera, 1* wireless monitor, 2* power cords, 1* bracket for monitor, 1* cigarette lighter adapter, 1* antenna, 2* T-taps, and other accessories. First we install the bracket. Combine the bottom to the top. L to both sides while holding down. Rotate and tighten the screw, like my way. Stick the bracket to the back of the monitor with the suction of the magnet, like my operation. Tear off the white paper to stick the bracket on the windshield. Install the antenna on monitor and tighten the screw, like my way. This is an antenna. Moving the antenna will make the signal better. Fix the antenna behind the car with tape or strap. Next, we use a license plate to show how to install the camera. You can install the camera at the front of the license plate. The position can be adjusted flexibly. Or you can install it at the back of the license plate. The camera's angle can be adjusted like my way. Step 1. We test the monitor and camera. Take out the camera and its power extension cord. Connect the connector of the camera to the connector of the power extension cord. Plug the connector of the power cord to the connector on the monitor. Next, we connect the red wire to the red and the black to the black. Combine the same color wire together. Insert mixed red wire to positive plus of the green connector. Insert the black mixed wire to negative of the green connector. Tighten the screw. Please check the alignment connector. Then put through power supply. Press the red button. The image appears on the monitor. Step 2. Take out the 1 power cord. Plug the cigarette lighter adapter to the power. Press the red button. The red wire connects to the positive plus. The black wire connects to the negative. The default has guidelines. Step 4. The introduction of the button on the display. Look at the back of the monitor. There are 5 keys: AV, up menu, down and power key. Press AV key to switch camera video channel. Like my operation. Press the down key to turn on or off the guidelines. Like my operation. Press M key to enter the menu mode. Long press the menu key.
Press the menu key to switch to the saturation. Press up or down key to adjust saturation. Press the menu key to switch to the contrast. Press up or down key to adjust contrast. Press the menu key to switch to the flip image. There are 4 modes: normal image, mirror image, vertical normal image, vertical mirror image.
Press the up and down keys to switch modes. Like my operation.
Press the menu key to switch to the height and width.
Press the up key to adjust the width of the guideline. Like my operation. Let me demonstrate it again. Like my operation, press the menu key to switch to the pairing. Press AV key to switch CAM2 video channel. Power off the CAM1. Take out CAM2. Take out the power cord. Connect the power cord to the camera too. The red wire is connected to the positive wire of the power source of backup light or tail light, and the black wire is connected to the negative wire of the backup light or tail light. Press the red button. The monitor lights up. Now test the camera.
Press the sensor light with your finger. You can see the IR light.
There is an induction light. Let me demonstrate it again. Long press the M key to enter the menu mode until pair appears. Press the up button to enter pairing.
CAM2 appears on the monitor to indicate that the pairing is successful.
Press the up key to quickly turn on or off the guidelines.
Press the power key to turn the monitor on or off.
Press AV key to switch camera video channel. Like my operation. The process of connecting the camera to the lamp line. T-taps. T-taps has 2 holes and 1 hole is closed. The long line is the line of the lamp or the circuit line on the car. Thrust the car light line into the first hole. camera power cord. Plug the power cord into the second hole. Iron sheets. Clamp the iron sheet to the tap's bottom.